What's up, guys? It's your boy JJ the Barber. Finally back with another video today. This is my little brother. Y'all probably seen him before. Yeah, man, it's been like 7 months since I recorded a video. So here I am back. Right now, I just started with the one guard. This is gonna be like kind of like a drop fade type of line, starting line. But yeah, man, 7 months. So I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I'm in a different shop since the last video. The last video I recorded was my first day in my first barber shop. But about a month after that, I switched to barber shops. So now I'm at this shop. And I've been at this shop for about 6 months now. So, yeah, it just took me forever to post a video. But here we go with the 1.5 guard. Just kind of flicking out, trying to blend it straight up into the top hair, you know. Then we close the guard. But yes, definitely, I'm going to be making more videos. I need to get back on it. You know, y'all just keep smashing the like button and, you know, showing love and support. Thank you to all the people showing me love and support so far. And the people telling me, yo, Jay, you need to get back on the videos, man. Appreciate all that. So when y'all saw me going down with the clippers, I was just trying to smoothen it out. Just really trying to knock that line out. Trying to blend that line out. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I kind of left the back like for later. Kind of left it on its own. Just wanted to knock these sides out. It was just easier to record and cut like that. By the way, sorry for I don't know how the quality of this video is going to come out. My camera, I had it in the wrong preset. So next videos, you know, be better, you know, learn from the mistakes. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to line up before fading. Most of the times, depending on how the lineup is. Usually I line up before fading. Do all this right now. Ball them out with the borders. One and a half guard close going down on the front hair. I kind of combed a lot of hair down on this one. A lot of cuts, you really ain't got to comb so much hair like this. Sometimes you just get the tips, but I think it's just with the way his curls are. That's why I combed it out like that. Cause then after the cut, you know, goes home and showers and everything. You know, you're gonna be looking fresh. And on the hairline, you want to comb or brush a lot. Get all the hair to fall down and cut, you know, as many loose hairs as possible. Get behind them, make sure it's straight. That's the true way to see if a lineup is straight. If you get straight behind them, directly behind them, and look in the mirror, you can tell if his lineup is truly straight. Now my clippers are 0 gap. That's why I can just blend it straight out with the guard closed. If your clippers aren't 0 gap, just flick out with whatever trimmers you use to put the line in, use those same trimmers to take the line out. And here I'm flicking out with the zero guard close. One of these videos that I do, I'm gonna have to slow down so y'all can actually see what I'm doing. I think that'd be more helpful. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Got the one guard open, the one guard closed. Then we're almost pretty much blended, and then going down. Sorry you can't see at this angle. Dang. We're going down, trying to smoothen it out, and just touching up any spots I think are darker, lighten them up, you know. Now it's the same thing in the back, same steps for all the fades. Remember, we gotta take that first thing out, we left it. Use the liners. Borders. Clippers. Guard blade open, then we're gonna close it. Oh, I don't know if I said this earlier. Right now we're closing it, and then after you close it, fill that line, and you gotta put the lever like somewhere in the middle, you know. I kinda like to try to find a sweet spot and flick. You know what I'm saying? If I need to move it a little bit, you know, I'll move it a little bit, but. And you see me going to the side because the hair on his neck is like hard to fade because the hair goes in so many different directions. So, you know, gotta work with it. Now this taper does look kind of high, but I think with the style, it's necessary and it looks good. And also with the shape of his head. Line them up around the ears. Clean up a little right there. Oh, but yeah, definitely let me know what type of videos you want to see. If y'all got any questions at all, go ahead, drop them in the comment section. Any questions about anything, you know, let me know. I'm gonna try to stay a little bit more consistent. But yeah, same thing on this side. I because I don't remember if I said it earlier, but after you use the blade open, then you use it closed, then you gotta put the lever somewhere in the middle, kind of flick that line, the middle line, you know, find a little sweet spot. That's what I do. I find a sweet spot and then flick out the whole line just like that. But you know, you're gonna have to open and close it, you know. Now I'm gonna put enhancements on them. So I just really want to make sure the lineup was nice before I did it. You know, use the card. I probably put a little bit too much on this one. I don't know why, but yeah, use the card to spray it from kind of a distance. You'll get like a smoother blend. I did it on both sides. Now just razoring him up. Make sure when you razor somebody, always pull the skin in the opposite direction that you're using the blade. See how my hand is always on the opposite direction, pulling the skin away. Always make sure it's away and not the same direction, because you're pulling the skin into the blade to help it cut. You know. When I did the fibers, I sprayed spritz on his lineup. It's just like some hair holding spray, and so when it gets on their forehead, it'll dry up and turn white, and it'll feel weird, you know, if you ever had spritz on your forehead after getting after putting the spray on your lineup. It feels weird, especially when you raise your eyes. So right here, I took some alcoholic, cleaning up his forehead, so you know what I'm saying, it doesn't feel all weird right there, because it's stiff or whatever. But yeah, here's full cut. That's my little broski. Let me know what you guys think of the cut. Yeah, it came out alright. You know, like, comment, and subscribe, baby. Follow me on Instagram at JJ the96. I can see a lot more of my work, and y'all probably see me like daily on there. You know, hit me up on that hope. Alright, y'all. I'm out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.